Welcome back to JSX Deep Dive. Let's talk about the usage of props in your JSX Design project. This is a login form I created, and I am going to add an on-click prop in the sign and button here. Now, I will show how I can access this prop from my IDE. Let me export this canvas to my project. You can export a JSX canvas to any React-based project. Let's wait for the import to complete. Done. Now, I can simply call the canvas name here to view it in the output. Now, usually you add the props you want here, like this, but we are importing an entire canvas. So we can't just call onClick here because there might be props having the same name in other components. Therefore, in order to access the props from a specific component inside the canvas, we can go back to the editor and give the component a unique ID. Now that we've done that, we can simply call the component ID underscore prop name. That's it. You will also get detailed suggestions from the editor, so that's easy. This is how you can call props from a JSX Design canvas. Now, on another note, you can also use this prop tab to add ant.design props to your components. These are two ant.d buttons. You can give any ant.design supported props. For example, here we are using the type prop to mark this button as primary. We can change the value and you can see it reflect here. Let's consider another situation where we can use props. This sidebar is a custom component and it has more than one view state. So if I'm using this custom component in a canvas, I can trigger its view state by creating a prop. The prop name should be the same as of the view state name. Prop type must be Boolean, and if it's set to true, the view state is triggered. And of course, we can do this via IDE as well. In advanced cases where you want to access the props of items inside a custom component, you have to eject the component first. Ejecting is a powerful feature where you can get the full control of the code while maintaining its visual editing capabilities. We'll talk about ejecting a component in a different video. Please check the link in description. Subscribe to this channel for more deep dives and how-tos on JSX Design. See you in the next video.